In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revise your feedback on eBay. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, feedback plays a crucial role in building a trustworthy reputation. So it's understandable that sometimes you might want to update your feedback. Maybe there's been a change in the item's condition, or perhaps your communication with the other party has improved. Regardless of the reason, revising your feedback is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. You can do this either on your desktop or mobile device, whichever you find more convenient. Once you're logged in, your next move is to navigate to the purchase history or selling section, depending on whether you're updating feedback as a buyer or seller. These sections can typically be found in the main menu under your account settings. Now, once you're in the appropriate section, it's time to locate the specific transaction that includes the feedback you want to revise. This may take a little scrolling, especially if you've been active on eBay recently. But not to worry, transactions should be listed in chronological order, making it easier to find the exact one. After you've identified the transaction, check to see if you're still within the allowed time frame to revise feedback. eBay has specific rules about how long feedback can be amended, so you'll want to act promptly if you've decided your previous feedback needs adjusting. If you're indeed within the permitted time window, you should see an option that says Revise Feedback. Go ahead and select it. Now comes the part where you can submit your updated feedback. Think carefully about what you want to communicate. Remember, it's always a good idea to be fair and honest, as this helps maintain a constructive eBay community. Once you're satisfied with your new feedback, confirm your changes by submitting them. However, if you discover that the feedback period has expired, don't worry just yet. There's still an option. In this case, the best course of action is to reach out directly to the other party involved in the transaction. Whether it's the buyer or seller, open up a line of communication and kindly request a revision. Being polite and straightforward will often get you further towards resolving any issues. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to revise your feedback on eBay. By keeping your feedback up to date, you not only improve your own buying or selling experience, but also contribute positively to the wider eBay community. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides just like this.